Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create border to table in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, then I show the Google Sheets file is generate border to table. I will show that. Now select from the all border text. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for the convert to table option. Over click. That's it. Then I show the generate border to table in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.